Okay, I've got to find the central point here so that I can turn this little gear on this big gear. And this is a real fast, easy way to do it. This jig is what I used a couple of months ago, I guess, when I was cutting the slots here for this ring. And I think it's going to give me a pretty good idea where the center is, as long as I don't move the ring. Yeah, may as well use this spike. And you probably can't see it, but I've drilled 3 holes in here. Each one is a little bit closer to the end here. We'll see which one seems to work the best. Once again, oh my goodness, I haven't tried it yet. This is the first time, and it almost looks perfect here. Let's put a little bit of resistance on this little wheel here. Okay, let's try that again. Put a little bit of resistance on there with my thumb. Seems to be okay. I might be able to make it just a little bit larger. See, it's going to go in this direction. Yeah. You notice here, this tooth is still engaged there. Then it kind of drops onto that tooth. You know what, I'm going to do another one of these, and I'm going to have it just a little bit more spread apart here. Here we are back in CorelDRAW, and I've just slightly increased the size of the circle that I'm going to be using as a template to drill the holes for the bearings, so that the bearings will be just a little bit further apart. And yeah, do you remember yesterday, I think some of you may have seen this, we concluded that if I decrease the size of the printout just slightly from what it is in the CorelDRAW, it'll be a little bit more accurate in the printout. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Anyway, this morning, a couple of woodworker friends came over, and also the guy that gave me the bearings over 30 years ago. So the 4 of us, we talked for over 2 hours, and we solved all the world's problems. Unfortunately, I didn't get very much done in the workshop, but that's okay. There's always tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.